Both fighters hanging down in the pocket and both landing. Oh, beautiful jab there by Lee.
Tagged him.
High-level MMA defense there, able to avoid the punch. Nice job by Lee. Lands to the body. Effective strike there by Lee. Well-timed kick there, Joe. Just over 2 minutes, round one.
That left hook is very dangerous.
Good fight here, under 2 to go. Whiffs on the straight right hand. Oh, and there's that patented head kick, and he landed it flush, Joe. You've been calling for that weapon all night long. He finally found a home for that strike there.
Missed that shot.
So his opponent lands that kick to the body, Joe, and he has shown an increased susceptibility to that strike here tonight. Oh, nice job with the leg kick, and he will continue to try to beat up that lead leg. He'll go outside, he'll go inside. Expect that to be a big part of his attack and strategy in this one.
Really swung for the fences with that hook, but misses.
Oh, effective strike there by Lee. 45 seconds remain in the round. Well, that body kick was there earlier, not there on that attempt. 30 seconds now to go in the round. Nice job to get the foot off the canvas and to the target quickly. Beautiful inside leg kick by Lee.
Good shot to the body. Nice jab.
Right hook attempt, that's a miss. Lee gets caught by that straight punch. His defense has abandoned him tonight.
Really missed with that right hand.
That horn sounds means we have reached the end of round one.
All right, man, take a seat. That was awesome. He really hurt him there, okay? He's in trouble. There's no way he's gonna recover. I need you to get out there, and I want good.
There's a nice leg kick. And here's another beautiful leg kick. And there's another excellent leg kick. Really excellent striking being displayed in that round.
Ariane Celeste is holding it down. Round two underway.
At the end of that round, his opponent was clearly hurt. He's going to look to start this round off fast and try to pick up where he left off.
Oh, hook shot blocked there by Lee. Well, he's landed some excellent shots in this fight tonight, but more often than not, it has been one and done. So the emphasis now moving forward, combinations. Throw your punches in bunches and really try to force the issue and get your opponent out of it.
Huge uppercut misses. Oh, landed it.
And he connects there, Joe. Oh, he lands another strike to the body, really starting to connect on a lot of shots to the midsection, and these will take their toll as this fight goes into the latter rounds.
He missed that kick.
Lee going for the head kick. He misses there.
Attempts a big hook to the head, but misses.
Well, he left his head open there, Joe, and he got cracked with that jab. He was almost moving into it. So let's see if he can switch up the footwork here, Joe, and make the requisite adjustments.
Nice jab. Oh! That one hurt. Good exchange there.
Constantly a moving target.
And there he swung with a haymaker.
How about that shin?
Looking to avoid that left hand. Oh! Beautiful right hook.
He's got him hurt here.
Hurt him with the right hand.
With fight-ending intentions.
Hit him hard
so
with that
good
hook.
with that hook, Joe. Well, he has really picked up the pace here in round two. Much more aggressive than we saw in round one, and now starting to find himself in the pocket. Oh, crippling uppercut. That shot blocked by Lee.
That's, again, the experience.
Nice shot to the body there. Just over 2 minutes to go in round two. Under 2 minutes now to go in the round. Oh, he lands another strike to the body. He just continues to punish his opponent's midsection here in this round. Big, straight left.
And he eats a kick. Rip that hook to the body.
Punch coming, it's blocked. Nice job to land the kick to the body there by Lee. Connects with the punch there.
Really threw everything into that uppercut, but fell short.
Oh, good job defensively to block the strike there by Lee.
Almost hits him with that left hook.
Well, he got clipped to the body there, Joe. Left his midsection wide open. He's become a little bit susceptible to that shot by almost leaning in, moving into his opponent's offense. Not a good look there. 45 seconds remain in the round. Try to establish that jab. Lee gets caught with that punch.
Good right hand over the top. He's hurt. He's hurt. He's hurt. This could be it right here. Misses a huge hook to the head.
Oh, you gotta like the output here. So aggressive with the strikes. He continues to light him up. Gotta be careful here not to gas out, of course, but you gotta like the offense we're seeing from him, especially in this round. And the horn sounds on round two.
Great round. Now, next round, I look for the finish him, okay? He's hurt. I know he's hurt. You know he's hurt.
Let's take a look at that again. And here it is from a different angle.
Carly Baker in the building tonight. Thank you very much.
You ready? You ready?
Third round underway. Oh, he just continues to land with a high volume of strikes here. Not unlike the previous round, Joe, and at least if his body language is any indication, he is not slowing down whatsoever. Nice defense there, huge block.
He hurt him! Oh, he's hurt bad.
Oh, slips to avoid the right.
Head kick!
Splits the guard and connects with the punch.